Hi, my name is Rudy Black. I'm the machine operator here at ATAS International. I've been here 15 years. Worked in quite a few different industries, but once I was here about a year, I decided, I think this is what I need to be doing. Okay. I run a variety of different machines here. All total, probably about 28 different profiles on 4 main machines that I operate myself. Very hands-on, physical, which is what I like. And if you like doing that, then ATAS is a great place to get started or even retire at, which I'll probably end up doing. Some skills that you really should need, should know some pretty basic math skills, how to read a ruler, how to add, subtract, divide, multiply, stuff like that. Attention to detail is a big thing. You want your panels to be right. You've got to go on a building. My favorite thing is when I'm out driving around or traveling around and I see ATAS materials somewhere and I know that I have taken part in making that, it makes me feel good to see the finished product. And to know that I helped make something look as good as it did. And, a lot of times the salespeople will show us pictures and come back with a great job, stuff like that. It's a very team-oriented facility. Lots of guys working together, and that's what makes things happen. You have to be able to work in a team. As a team, don't try and be an individual. I learn more and more things every day. I've been here 15 years and I'm still learning. And I'll probably keep learning until I retire. That's what I like about this industry. It's always changing, it never stays the same. You gotta keep up with the competition and just keep moving on.